I'm Chelsea Cannell, and welcome to another edition of the Cannell Video Query of the Week, where your questions are yet again answered. This one's from Mark Abernathy, and he's wondering, I'm watching the A-Team on DVD, and your ending logo back in 1983 had you at a typewriter, as usual. This is trivial, but can you tell me where you thought of that ending sequence, and was that in your home?
Mark, that actually was at my office, and that logo came because of the following circumstance. I had my own studio. I had like 4 or 5 shows on the air, and I was beginning to be referred to in the press as a television mogul. And I just didn't want to be a mogul. To me, I thought a mogul was a guy in a green suit that tried to score actresses, you know. And I just said, I had a lady who was working in, Linda Stewart was her name, and she was working in my heading my public relations at my studio, and I said, how do I get this mogul thing off of me? And she came up with the idea of the typewriter and throwing the paper in the air. And we were at that particular moment, we were redesigning my company logo, and she came up with that.